It is hard to stay fit in our 40s pero hindi siya imposible. Here are 4 tips that I can share with you kung paano ko nagawang maging ideal weight, ideal shape in my 40s and after I gave birth to 2 cesarean operations. Number 1, check your sleep. Sleep is very important na na-achieve natin ang 7 hanggang 8 hours of sleep every single day kasi dito nangyayari ang detox and repair para hindi tayo magmukhang matanda. Number 2, check your water intake. Ikaw ba ay nakaka 12 to 15 glasses or 3 to 4 liters of water a day? Bakit? We need minimum 3 liters or 12 glasses to hydrate. Pero kung napakainit ng panahon, or lagi kang pinagpapawisan, ikaw ay nag-exercise, or kung ikaw ay overweight pa, did you know that for every 25 pounds excess weight, you need to add a glass of water on top of the minimum na 3 liters. Number 3, speaking of exercise, ikaw ba ay gumagalaw-galaw? Alam mo ba na in our 40s, kailangan natin ng at least 15 hours of exercise every week. Hindi yan masyado marami, that's just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise or galaw-galaw every day. And number 4, what are you eating? Yung mga kinakain mo ba ay nagbibigay ng sustansya? Conscious ka na ba na ito ay healthy or YOLO pa rin sa pagkain? So are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you step by step on what to do? Chat tayo!